Hey guys, I'm London. So today I'm gonna show you a magic. Excuse me. Anyways, let's do a magic trick to show.
Somebody help! I have the hiccups, hic! My life will be over, hic! Somebody have hiccups!
Hic, it's me, Hic.
Oh no, we need to cure her hiccups.
Good thing that I have water.
Did it work?
Hic, nope.
Wait, I have one more idea to cure her hiccups. It's to scare her hiccups away.
Good idea.
Boo!
Oh my god, you scared the crap out of me. Hey, I'm not hiccuping anymore. My hiccups are gone. So that's how you cured them. Bye, guys.